Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabilo YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to enable or disable sync on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. Okay guys, here in your Samsung Galaxy A02, you'll have to do is go to settings. In settings, scroll down and find the developer options. And the developer options is not show or turn off. To show or turn on the developer options, you'll have to do is go to About Phone. In About Phone, go to Software Information. Okay, tap this. In Software Information, you can see here the build number. Okay, you'll have to do to show or turn on the developer options, you'll have to do is tap the build number 7 times. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and developer mode has been turned on. And okay guys, go back and go back again, and now you can see in settings the developer options. Okay, you can see below. So okay, you'll have to do is go to developer options. Here in developer options, okay, scroll down and go to quick settings developer tiles. Okay, tap this. Here in quick settings developer tiles, you can see here the sync, and on the right side of this you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to enable this, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. If this turn on, okay, you can slide from top to bottom to see the sync icon here. You'll have to do to enable the sync on your Samsung Galaxy A02 is tap this, and the pop-up are show. Okay, here in pop-up, turn on auto sync. So any changes you make to your accounts on the web will be automatically copied to your phone. Some accounts may also automatically copy any changes you make on the phone to the web. And okay, so you'll have to do to enable the sync is tap OK button. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully enabled the web on your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, to disable again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully enabled or disabled sync on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.